The iconic G-Wagon has gone electric. Angus Mackenzie gets a first drive of Benz's new electron-powered 4WD to see if it fits the mold. The G-Class EV retains the classic boxy styling of the gas-powered G-Class, and Mercedes claims that it will remain an extremely capable all-terrain vehicle. For electric motors, each mounted close to one of the G's wheels, can be controlled individually, allowing for heroic levels of off-road capability. The G580 with EQ technology differs from its gas-powered siblings primarily due to its electric drivetrain. For electric motors, one for each will combine for 579 horsepower and 859 pound-feet of torque. Each motor can be individually controlled, which Mercedes has taken advantage of to give the electric G-Class some new-age off-road tricks. For one thing, the SUV can spin itself 360 degrees within its own length, what's known as a tank turn, by powering the right and left wheels in opposite directions using a feature called G-turn. Incorporated into the G-Class EV's frame is a large 116.0 kilowatt-hour battery pack. DC fast charging can be done at a max of 200 kilowatts, and Mercedes-Benz estimates that on such a connection the battery can be juiced from 10 to 80% in about 32 minutes. The G580 EV's cabin is predictably deluxe, and high-end finishings abound. Nappa leather upholstery is standard, and integrated ambient lighting can be adjusted to the colors of your choice. The dashboard is upright and tall, with little space between the base of the windshield and the steering wheel, giving the driver a commanding view of what's ahead. Massaging seats are part of the active multi-contour Seat Plus package, and the adjustable side bolsters can be set to hold you a little more snugly when driving off-road. Two large, 12.3-inch screens stretch across most of the G-Class's dashboard. The first serves as a reconfigurable gauge cluster, and the second as a touchscreen for the infotainment interface. That interface is Mercedes' latest MBUX system, which features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a voice assistant, and augmented reality navigation. Standard driver assistance features are plentiful in the G-Class EV, like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, a self-parking feature, and traffic sign recognition.